We in the Forum for Democratic Change, we unequivocally condemn the abduction, illegal detention since 27 April 2025 of Edward Ssebufu. This brazen display of power highlights the regime's blatant disregard for the rule of law and human rights. Thus, the incommunicado detention is antithetical to Article 28 of the Ugandan Constitution, which guarantees the right to fair hearing, as well as Article 24, which protects the right to freedom from torture, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment. It is ironic that the NRM administration, which rose to power, promising to end the extrajudicial practices, now engages in similar practices, similar abuses. This high-handedness and impunity must be met with collective outrage and demand for his immediate release. We in the FDC, we are concerned that Eddie Mutwe's situation is not an isolated incident, but part of the systematic campaign to silence dissent and crush the aspiration of Ugandans clamoring for change and freedom. The detention of Eddie Mutwe is a stark reminder of the persistent human rights challenges in our country. This case echoes previous incidents of arbitrary detention, torture, and enforced disappearances documented in various human rights reports. The torture and other cruel, inhuman, and or degrading treatment or punishment and other related abuses. The Constitution and the law prohibit such practices. The law stipulates that any person convicted of an act of torture may receive a sentence of 15 years imprisonment, a monetary fine, or both. The penalty for conviction of aggravated torture is life imprisonment. Nevertheless, there were credible reports security forces tortured and physical abuse suspects, and the impunity was the problem. In November 2022, the UN Committee Against Torture stated that it was deeply concerned by the reports that torture and ill treatment continue to be widespread and frequently practiced in Uganda. Human rights lawyers, the Uganda Human Rights Commission, Parliament's Committee on Human Rights, we, the opposition politicians, the non-government organization NGOs, specifically the Human Rights Watch and local media, reported that security agencies tortured dissidents as well as suspects as punishment for their criticism of government and its officials, and to extract self-incriminating confessions, sometimes leading to death.